Learn hypnosis now, my friend. In this series, you are going to learn a lot of techniques on doing hypnosis, hypnotic game, and by the time you watch all these videos and practice, you will become a master hypnotist. I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. And I conduct a lot of hypnosis seminars all over the world. I started learning hypnosis in 1972 and started teaching in 1977. I have students all over the world in 170 countries. And my friend, in this video, you are going to learn again another different variation of handshake induction, a different variation. So which I want you to watch me doing it and then practice on somebody. And before you go to the main technique, if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button, notification button, so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. So watch me doing on Sanjana and then come back and explain to you more. Thank you. Hi, welcome back, and I'm sure you're enjoying the videos in my previous videos on hypnotic imagination games and hypnotic inductions. If you have not watched them, go back and watch them again. And now in this particular video, I'm going to give you a technique which is developed by a friend of mine called Anthony Jacquin. He lives in UK and he's a very famous hypnotist, and he uses it for basically more for therapy purpose. But I'm going to give you this technique here for the purpose of putting a person into hypnosis. It's a simple method and it's a good method, so watch me doing it and then find somebody and do with them. So get ready now. Are you ready, madam?
Yes.
Make your hand like this. Okay. Now the method is, when I bring your hand here, close your eyes. When I bring your hand down, eyes open.
Okay.
I'll do it 3 times, and each time I do that, you go deeper than before.
Okay.
Okay, so ready now? Close your eyes. Feel deeply relaxed. Open your eyes. Close your eyes again. This time your whole body start becoming more heavy and more relaxed. Open your eyes and close your eyes, and this time you go very deeply relaxed, very, very deeply and comfortably relaxed. With each and every breath you exhale, just let it be comfortably relaxed. And you're able to sit and relax comfortably. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. Now, by the time the person is into hypnosis, now I want to deepen it. I'll count from 10 to 0. With each and every descending number, double your relaxation. 10, going deeper and deeper, getting more and more relaxed. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very, very deep. That's right, you're doing a wonderful job. Now, since the deep stage of hypnosis, now I can do therapy, I can give her a positive suggestions, and if I want, I can do some hypnotic test also. Now put your awareness on both of your eyelids, and as you put your awareness on both eyelids, they are becoming very, very heavy to the point your eyelids are stuck in a downward position. Now it's becoming so heavy. I'm going to count from 1 to 3. With each count, your eyelids become so heavy that at the count of 3, I want to try to open your eyes, will not be able to open it. The harder you try to open, the tighter you stuck. 1, feel your eyelids becoming very, very heavy. 2, they are locked tightly together. At the next count, I want to try to open your eyes but not be able to open it. The harder you try to open, the more tighter you stuck. 3, try to open your eyes but you cannot. The harder you try to open, the tighter it closes. That's why I stop trying, continue to go deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper. And to bring her out, all I have to do is count from 1 to 3 and open her eye, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than before. Or I can use another method. When you really want to come out, bring your hand down slowly, and when your hand come back in your lap, open your eyes, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than before. Come back here now, feeling fantastic. How was that?
A deep relaxation.
Deep relaxation?
Yeah.
Enjoyed?
Yeah.
Okay. So when I asked you that your eyes you cannot open, you were really trying to open it, but not able to.
I did feel heaviness.
Heaviness.
The one we tried in the earlier videos.
Earlier videos also. Yeah. Same eye catalepsy. Yeah. Now I use the method just for demo purpose. I could have counted from 1 to 3 to bring her out, or I asked her, because the hands were up, the previous programming was going hand down, open your eyes, and going up, close your eye. So I utilize that for coming out also. So this is the method, you can use it to hypnotize anyone. Now this is another method for you, and I want you to practice on some people. You can do it on yourself also, like this. Every time you do that, you will find that third time when you do it, just make your hand straighten out. You watch the hand was here, up. It's called arm catalepsy in hypnosis. That stays there. You feel any uncomfortable in your hand?
No.
No. So it's a complete arm catalepsy, which is another hypnotic phenomena. So you find somebody and practice this, and then come back to the next lesson. Hi, welcome back again. I'm sure you watch me doing on her. It's very easy technique, simple techniques. So my friend, find somebody and do it now. It's a simple technique, making the hand come on and finally the hand move, stay there. That's called hand catalepsy, and that is the indication that person into deep stage of hypnosis. So my friend, one more important thing, if you have not watched our video or understand the symptoms of hypnosis, please watch it. So when you're doing on others, you know whether they are there or not by watching them. If one symptom is there, that is enough. So please go and watch those videos. And if you have not watched our previous videos on different induction method, please watch it now. I will be coming out to a new video in the next lesson, that is a hand levitation method. This is a very old method but very powerful method, a simple method. So I'll explain to you in the next video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe right now and click onto the bell button and notification button so that every time we upload a new video, you get notified. And if you really want to attend our live training program, you can click on the link below, pradeepaggarwal.com/mh, or call us on our telephone number given there or mobile number given there, so we can find a time. Or if the workshop is happening by the time you're watching the video, you can immediately register and join us, and where you learn by doing it. So my friend, I'm looking forward to seeing you soon personally. Please do the exercise and come back to the next lesson. Thank you very much.